guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 1 of January. So let's get right into this video. Alright, so we stuffing a total of $925 today. So let's count this money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 50, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 7, 20, 40, 60, 80, 8, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, oh wait, 90, 95, 900, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So that is a total of $925. Alright guys, so usually I will go right into stuff in my utilities envelope. So I'm going to change this envelope to bills to match this. So my bills will consist of my utilities, my health insurance, and my car insurance. So for me, I feel like it's better to have all the bills in one envelope, and at the end of the month I'll just split it up and pay it online. So yeah, so bills is getting $140. Alright, on to my cash envelopes. I don't have any money left in my cash envelopes besides my beauty, which always rolls over every week. So groceries is getting $120. Okay, next is gas, and gas is getting $20. Spending is getting $20. And beauty is getting $10. So I do my nails myself, so that's why beauty don't get stuff that much, but I do have $110 sitting in here. And last is a giving, and giving is getting $5. Alright guys, on to my sinking funds. Okay, starting off with Lanesia. Lanesia is getting $25 this week. So Lanesia has 5,000, 6,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 20, 40, 60, 85, 95. Lanesia has $6,685. Next is Jaden, and Jaden is getting $25 this week. Jaden has 5,000, 6,000, 1, 2, 3, 400, 20, 40, 60, 85, 90. So Jaden has $6,490. Let me zoom you guys in. Okay, next is vacation, and vacation is getting $15. We have 1, 200, 20, 35, 40. So 240 in vacation. Okay, next is family time, and family time is getting $10. So we have $310. So let me write that down, 310. Okay, next is drip, which is our clothing envelope, and drip is getting $30. So we have 100, 250, 300, 20, 40, 50. So 350 in drip. Okay guys, onto my emergency fund binder. Okay, onto my emergency fund binder. So my cash emergency fund is getting $20. Also guys, I've been hooked on her. I've been watching her for probably over 5-8 years already, and I love watching her. So you guys go spam her, go in her comments and say PinkxBudgetz sent me, and I will leave her link in the description box below. So you guys, you already know, after this video I'm going right into watching her video. So yeah, I'm gonna leave her link, so go in her comments, subscribe, and say PinkxBudgetz sent me. Thanks guys. So next is my cash emergency fund. Did I already put $20? I don't think so. You guys, did I put $20 yet? Alright, so we have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900. So we at 1,900 for my cash emergency fund. And you know what's dope? Her name is Jenny too. So I love watching her. Okay, onto my home emergency. So my home emergency is getting $200 this week. So we have 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 1, 2, 3, 400, 20, 40, 65. So we have $7,465. You guys, I do not know how I messed up my home emergency amount of my last video. It's crazy. I messed up like over $2,000. Like, that is ridiculous, but it's all good. When I was editing, I seen my mistake, so I corrected it. Okay, next is my car emergency fund, and that is getting $15. We have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 50, 60, 75, 80. So 1,680 in car emergency fund. Okay, my health emergency fund is getting $20. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 50, 70, 80. So 680. Ew, that was a sloppy. Oh, it's fine. I'll fix it after this video. Okay, onto my diamond and my gold scratch off challenge. Let's see what we're scratching off today. Okay guys, so for my gold challenge, I'm gonna scratch off this one, $50. And then for my diamond, we're scratching off this one. So 50 plus 145 equal 195, I believe. So 145 and 50. So we're gonna be stuffing 195 in my home emergency next week. Alright guys, onto my pink binder. Alright, so you guys already know we starting this whole binder fresh, so we have $0 in here. So yeah, I'm excited to stuff this up. All right, so Christmas is getting 25. See, you guys already knew it. We put an extra 20 in my cash emergency fund. See, one of my videos, Jenny popped up and mixed me up, got my mind off track. It's all good though, because we figured it out in this video. So let me go back into my cash emergency fund and fix that. So that is $18.80. And Christmas is getting 25, so that is $25. Next is back to school, and back to school is getting $10. Okay guys, so invest. So before, any money that was left over from my cash envelopes, I wouldn't roll it over. I would take that and put it in my invest envelope. So I will still keep doing that for 2022, but I'm gonna also add money in there too as a sinking fund, and at the end of the month I'm going to take that money and invest it. So that is getting $50. Okay, and next is gifts, and gifts is getting $15. So 10 and a 5. Okay, so back to school has 10, invest has 50, gifts has 15, and last is our 52-week savings challenge. And I am stuffing $150 today, so let me cross that off. So you guys, this is the $5,000 goal. I've completed this in 2021, and I am doing it again in 2022, and this is the same savings challenge card. So yeah, I'm excited to complete this for 2022 also. And you guys know I don't track that. I only track at the end of the month. Like, I count at the end of the month, but I don't track it as I go each week. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.